Hey guys, this is Spencer, and we're going to do a review demo, kind of show you how this Graco pack and play works and why this is kind of one of the most common pack and plays out there. So first thing, it folds up into a nice square like this, and then there's a case that you'll put it in like that. Second thing is the one we're showing you right now. We've actually owned for 3 years, so what you're seeing is 3 years, 3 kids, quite a lot of use to it. So the way these set up is really, really cool. You just have to unzip it, and the actual case is also the bottom of the pack and play. So you can see right here, the actual case itself is where the child sleeps. To set it up, it's also super, super easy. All you've got to do is you essentially straighten all these sides. So you just pull each one up like this. Really, really easy to do. And once that's ready, you'll push down the bottom. After that, you just take that case and you put it right here, just like that. And it's all set up. So it's awesome that it's super easy to put up, super easy to take down, and super, super portable. Now, a couple things to note. The first one is we'll kind of lean this in right here so you can see it easier. The first thing is, as you could kind of see before this went in, there's a bar here, bar there, bar there, bar there, about 6 bars going through the bottom there, and then this pad going on top of that. Now, it's reasonably comfortable, but what we ended up doing is actually getting a second mattress that we stick in there whenever the kids are sleeping. I think more just because we kind of feel guilty. But hopefully you can tell it creates a fairly flat surface, and there's really no issues with kids sleeping just like this. Our kids have done that plenty of times when we either weren't able to or didn't bring a mattress. So a couple things to note. You can get a couple different editions of this. You can get one that has a bassinet built in the top, or you can get a diaper changing one. Those are kind of add-ons that you can get when you're making the purchase for this. This is the basic edition. They all come with this, and then you kind of add on from there if you want to do other things. But it is a good, solid feeling piece of equipment here. Really, really solid on the bottom, especially once you lock it in right there. Hopefully you can kind of see that right there. Everything about it's built really, really well. I can put quite a bit of weight on this. There's no way a kid's getting out of this. There's no way this is going to break and fold in on a kid or something like that. This has been around for a long time. It's a good quality, safe product that'll last through quite a few kids. As you can see, it looks almost brand new. There's not a lot of wear, no holes, nothing wrong with the mesh, anything like that. It's done very, very well through quite a few kids and a lot of trips. And so these are good. There's a reason this is such a top seller for a Graco.